This is going to be a video product review of the Tolaccea headache hat. You will not see this in a store anywhere. You put this in the freezer. You can also use it for hot therapy. You put this in the freezer, you get it nice and cold, and you take this and put this over your head like a hat. This is used when you have migraines, when you have tension headaches, when you have pain from TMJ, you have the tightness in your jaw. You get this nice and cold in the freezer and you put it over your head to relax the tension away. This is a wonderful thing if you are sick. You put this over your head to lower a fever. If you have aches and pains, if you have tension, if you have sports injuries, overexertion, headaches, migraines, anything that has pain in the head, this will take care of. This has 360-degree compression coverage that will go right over your head and it will fit nice and snug to help you heal. The compression sleeve is made of non-toxic, medical-grade, solid gel, and it is a soft Lycra fabric. Is reusable up to 300 cycles. The price is reasonable. Let me put this in the freezer and we'll see what it looks like when it comes out. There it is. I think it's pronounced Tolaccea. This is the ice hat straight out of the freezer. You can see it's still flexible. It's not going to be a big block of ice. It is cool. And I'm going to put this on my head. You don't really need to see me putting this on my head, but I'm going to put this on my head and we're going to see how I react, how it feels. I always have tightness in my jaw. I have tightness in the temples from leaning forward while using the computer and the keyboard, so there's a lot of tension in the jaw and the temples and the sides of the head. Oh my God, is this cool. Whew, does this feel nice. This is really neat. Oh, this is absolutely incredible. I have this on my head now, and this is absolutely awesome. If you've ever used an ice pack on your forehead, or if you've used one of those big ice strips because you have a headache or you have a migraine or your head's bothering you, you don't need to do that. You can just use this thing. This is awesome. The thing that I'm going to really love about this is occasionally I get high temperature. Every once in a while I get a fever, like we all do. And the only thing that really makes you feel better is to get ice on your forehead. It drops the temperature. It makes you feel wonderful. But this is absolutely awesome. I don't even have a headache now. I have no illness right now. And just sitting here talking to you with this ice pack on my head makes this worth the purchase price. Make sure you look at the video description. There will be a link in there to order this thing. Whew, I love it. And the nice thing is, the cold is all the way around your head, 360-degree coverage. But on the top of your head, you definitely do not want to be putting ice on the top of your skull. So this is the perfect product.